The journey of the almond, from blossom to culinary delight in Gran Canaria.
Hi, I'm Miranda. I'm filming the mountains of Gran Canaria. We are ExploGC. Today we're filming the almond blossom. Look how beautiful the almond blossom in Gran Canaria. And some bees.
Gran Canaria, an island of extraordinary beauty and diverse landscapes, bursts into a spectacle of color every year when the almond trees bloom. The transformation begins in late January and stretches through February, as the hills and valleys are painted in delicate shades of white and pink. This marks the start of an age-old tradition that connects the people of Gran Canaria to their land, heritage, and gastronomy in an exquisite way. The almond blossom is one of the first signs that spring is approaching, even while winter still lingers in the higher altitudes of the island. The municipalities of Tejeda and Valsequillo are particularly famous for their vast almond groves, where thousands of trees explode into bloom, creating an almost ethereal landscape. Visitors and locals alike celebrate this natural wonder with the Fiesta del Almendro en Flor, Almond Blossom Festival, an annual event where the island's traditions come alive. Folk music, traditional Canarian dances, and markets selling local crafts take over these picturesque villages, creating an atmosphere of joy and cultural pride. Once the mesmerizing blossoms have fulfilled their purpose, they begin to wither, making way for the almond fruit to develop. As spring progresses, the trees shift from their floral elegance to a more subdued greenery, while tiny green almonds start to form. Over the summer, these almonds grow and ripen, encased in a protective velvety husk, that eventually dries and splits open, revealing the hard shell beneath. By late summer or early autumn, almond farmers begin the harvest. Traditional methods are still used in many parts of Gran Canaria, where farmers gently shake the trees with long sticks, causing the almonds to drop onto nets spread beneath the branches. Once collected, the almonds are sun-dried, and the outer shells are removed to reveal the delicious, edible nut inside. Almonds are an essential ingredient in Canarian cuisine, contributing to both sweet and savory dishes. From traditional desserts to innovative modern recipes, almonds bring a rich, nutty flavor and delightful texture to a variety of culinary creations. Bien Masabe is perhaps the most famous Canarian almond-based dessert. Made with ground almonds, sugar, egg yolks, cinnamon, and lemon zest, this thick, sweet paste is often served with ice cream or layered into cakes. The name, which translates to "tastes good to me," perfectly captures its appeal. A staple during Christmas and festive seasons, Canarian Turon is a nougat-like confection made by blending almonds with honey and egg whites. The result is a chewy or crunchy delight that is both indulgent and deeply rooted in the island's culinary traditions. Though originally from La Gomera, Almagrote has found a home in Gran Canaria as well. This almond-infused cheese spread, made with aged cheese, garlic, olive oil, and sometimes almonds, is a delicious accompaniment to bread or papas arrugadas, wrinkled potatoes. Gofio, a toasted corn or wheat flour that has been a dietary staple in the Canary Islands for centuries, is often mixed with ground almonds to enhance its flavor and nutritional value. The combination is used in porridges, doughs, or even as a thickening agent in stews. Almonds are also used to produce a delightful almond liqueur, which is enjoyed as a digestive after meals. This smooth and aromatic drink is made by steeping almonds in alcohol and blending it with sugar, cinnamon, and citrus peels, creating a uniquely Canarian flavor profile. Despite its deep-rooted connection to the island, almond cultivation in Gran Canaria faces challenges. Climate change, shifts in agricultural practices, and competition from cheaper imports threaten the survival of traditional almond farming. However, efforts are being made to preserve these orchards, as they not only contribute to the economy, but also play a crucial role in preventing soil erosion and maintaining biodiversity.
Filming the almond blossoms in Gran Canaria with a Canon camera and Kodak Super 8 color film captures the island's ethereal beauty in a nostalgic, cinematic way. The soft pink and white petals contrast against the deep blue sky and rugged volcanic landscape, creating a dreamlike atmosphere. The warm, grainy texture of Super 8 film enhances the timeless charm, while the gentle sway of blossoms in the island breeze adds a poetic movement to each frame. Shooting at sunrise or golden hour accentuates the delicate hues, making the footage a visual tribute to Gran Canaria's fleeting yet breathtaking almond bloom season.
From the first delicate blossoms to the final delicious dish, the almond's journey in Gran Canaria is one of beauty, tradition, and flavor. Whether admired in bloom, cracked open from its shell, or savored in a delectable dessert, the almond remains a symbol of the island's cultural and culinary richness. The next time you find yourself in Gran Canaria, be sure to taste its almond-based delicacies, visit the flowering orchards, and raise a glass of almond liqueur in celebration of this extraordinary nut and the island that nurtures it.
Hello, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you want, you can share this video with friends or on social media. Don't forget to subscribe to ExploGC channel to see every video we post. And click the notification bell to be the first to know when we post a new ExploGC video. And at last, please leave a comment what you think about the content of the video. Thank you so very much. And now let's continue with the video.
Capturing the almond blossoms of Gran Canaria with a Yashica roll film camera transforms each shot into a timeless work of art. The medium format film beautifully renders the delicate pink and white petals with rich tones, deep contrast, and a dreamy depth of field. Each frame, carefully composed through the Yashica's waist-level viewfinder, becomes a tangible memory, preserving the fleeting beauty of the almond bloom in a nostalgic and elegant way.
almond blossoms of Gran Canaria. Upon the hills where trade winds roam, beneath the sky's vast silver dome, a fleeting wonder wakes the land. The almond blooms so soft, so grand. A blush of pink, a veil of white, like dawn spilled over mountain height, a dream that drapes the valleys wide, a fleeting love, the spring's young bride. The rugged cliffs so bare, so steep, now whisper secrets, long they keep, for every branch in bloom does weave a tale of loss, of love, of leave. Oh, Tejeda's slopes in morning's glow, a snowy breath of petals flow, a sacred dance upon the breeze that flits through groves and ancient trees. The barrancos wake from slumber deep, where shadows long and silence sleep, and there, like stars on velvet spread, the almond flowers raise their head. The farmers pause, their hearts take flight, for in this bloom their hopes shine bright, a promise made by nature's hand that golden fruit will grace the land. Oh, traveler, pause and take it in, this moment brief yet bright within, for soon the petals drift away, like whispers lost in time's ballet. But while they last, the island sings of love reborn in fleeting springs, a beauty pure yet bound to fade. The almond's gift so softly laid.
Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Check our website ExploGC.es for more info, more extra content, and all the links to all our social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like, you can watch one of our other videos. See you on the next video of ExploGC. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.